everybody. So I've been seeing on the old social media that some folks in the area are growing mushrooms right in their raised beds, just like poking out of the sides. And my raised beds are already established, so that ship has probably already sailed. But I want to get in on this sweet shroom action, right? So I'm going to build a crate that is going to simulate that environment, hopefully. It's going to be a hybrid between those garden beds and some things I've seen online about using a tub with some cardboard. First of all, how big am I going to make this thing and out of what? Easily answered. This big, because this is a piece of plywood I have, and I don't want to get out the table saw, so it's going to be this long by this wide. It's not even square, but I don't care. I'm going to make this the quick and easy project. And how tall is, this is the shortest 2x4 I have, so that tall. And I'm just going to trim these down. For the sides, I'm going to use these bits of scrap that are the edges that we cut off when we did the patio enclosure. They're about 2 inches wide. In the end, I didn't feel like those brads were really going to be enough to hold it all together, so I went back and added some screws into the vertical supports. There it is, all done. I put it over here under the peach tree because it's nice and shady and damp over here, and I could probably run irrigation to it if I wanted to. I just need to fill it up with medium. I've been saving some cardboard for that, and order my mushroom spawn to get it going. Well, apparently mushrooms won't fruit until it's under 80 at the most. And considering we're well into the 90s, I'm gonna have to wait to order that mushroom spawn. Probably a few weeks, maybe a couple months yet. So you might want to subscribe and turn on the notifications for that follow-up.